Hello, everybody. My name is Jaime Chaves. I'm a licensed acupuncturist in California, and I graduated from 5 branches in 2002. I was first exposed to Chinese medicine as a kid. My mom was a patient of acupuncture, and she talked me into trying it when I was in the 3rd grade. And I had acupuncture many times as a kid, but when I graduated from high school, I had a bad shoulder injury. I could barely raise my arm. I saw my mom's acupuncturist once, and the following day, I had full mobility in my arm, and the pain was mostly resolved. And that was a real defining moment when I said, I have to learn this. I'm thankful for that experience, and I'm thankful for 5 branches because I felt like my education was stellar. I had really awesome teachers, and a lot of those teachers I think of on a daily basis when I'm working with patients. I remember what they taught me, the stories they told me, and I feel like all of them were part of who I am today. And with acupuncture and Chinese medicine in general, the learning never stops. The passion to learn is to help people feel better. And so when that's the root of it all, I mean, you just love this medicine. I mean, if you ask me what I did on my vacations or on my free time, my hobby is Chinese medicine. I just love learning about it. And the end result is ultimately help people feel better, which is an awesome motivation in itself. I work for Kaiser Permanente. I've been there since 2008. I'm in their occupational medicine department. I personally specialize in treating injuries. And where I work alongside doctors, physical therapists, surgeons. We have residents who shadow me and learn about acupuncture. So I get to teach them about it and expose them to Chinese medicine for the first time. And with workers' compensation, you have to prove that acupuncture is actually working. And that's what I love about my job is I have to prove what I'm doing is actually helping, whether it's improving function, range of motion, strength, etc. And each day I'm testing the limits of what acupuncture can and can't do. And I can honestly say it does so much. And I am mind blown and baffled about it every single day, honestly. And that is the catalyst, the fire that keeps, me wanting to learn more, that has me, engulfed in this medicine. And it's really a joy, to be honest. This is the greatest profession that I could ever ask for. I don't consider this work. This is my passion. This is my love. This is my hobby. And it's, the end result is to help people feel better. I mean, awesome, right? So if I was going to say one last thing is, remember why you're getting involved into Chinese medicine, what your drive is, what your motivation is. Keep that at the forefront of your decision making, and you will do really well in this career, and you will help a lot of people in the process. So I wish you all the best and good luck.